LightStim is a handheld device that you can use from the comfort of your own home. It combines therapeutic LED therapy with patented technology to address your skin from within. LED is the use of light delivered through light-emitting diodes, and it works by delivering energy in a similar way to how plants absorb energy from the sun. LED delivers pure light in rejuvenating wavelengths for the treatment of your fine lines and wrinkles. And when used consistently at home, this will help recapture that plump, youthful appearance. LED light therapy brings so many benefits to your skin. It repairs and rejuvenates, helps improve skin tone and texture, decreases deeper lines and wrinkles, and helps with skin tightening. It increases blood flow to the tissues to help stimulate your collagen production and increases your skin's natural hydration. The LightStim is 100% safe and extremely easy to use. Simply place the light so that it gently touches your skin and hold it in place for about 3 minutes. You will then move the light to a new area and repeat until you have treated all your desired areas. This is one treatment that can be used multiple times a week, and for best results, I would recommend at least 3 to 4 times a week. It's easy to do while you're watching your favourite TV show, reading a book, or simply relaxing and being present in the moment. If you would like more information about the LightStim for wrinkles, please visit our website and click on advice.